Hi, welcome back to the Sigma YouTube channel. I'm Alex, and today we'll discuss the 5 top reasons your organization should be using Microsoft Teams. This video aims to help businesses and IT directors about its key features and benefits. It will help you evaluate if Microsoft Teams can add enough value to your organization. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon to receive a notification when we release new videos. And without further delay, let's dig in. Reason number 1. A single interface to do all your work. Microsoft Teams help workers share information, coordinate projects, discuss and document best practices, build communities within, across, and outside the organization. It converges many different Office 365 technologies, to name a few: instant and group messaging, voice calls and video conferencing, file sharing with co-authoring of documents, and project management, all under one single application. A recent study into a Microsoft Teams deployment by Forrester has shown that on average, information workers save 4 hours per week and a 17% decrease in decision-making time. Additionally, participants have reported increased satisfaction with all their systems integrated into a single place and a sense of empowerment. With Microsoft Teams, your staff will work from a single unified modern interface, regardless which device they use and where they work from. The improvements go beyond the measurements, as there is a cultural shift towards working better as a team, making people feel more included and becoming part of something bigger than the sum of its parts. Reason number 2. Focus on the conversations that really matter and reduce the clutter. Many of you may feel overwhelmed by the number of emails you receive every day and wonder, was I supposed to receive all of this? Should I have been included in all these emails? Are they really relevant to me? Moving the conversation from email to Microsoft Teams gets rid of all the clutter and noise involved with signatures, excessive formalities, and those one-liner emails asking simple questions in the subject line. Those should be simple, instant messages. Conversations in Microsoft Teams can also have documents, notes, and meetings scheduled. This avoids mixing up things. You never need to keep sending files back and forth by email again, or risk having multiple versions of the same document. Have you ever seen people added by mistake in an email chain? Perhaps someone forgot to click the reply all button and then created a separated email chain, and then the conversation has become a mess. None of this happens in Microsoft Teams. We create channels and group conversations that makes sharing and collaborating a breeze. Do you want to grab the attention of someone? Just use the @mention function. It will send a notification to the person about that message. Simple, isn't it? Now, you can easily keep everyone in the loop about any subject without cluttering their mailbox, and bring people in only when needed without the long email trail. This dynamic approach to conversations and a small number of notifications allows people to brainstorm better, like in a natural conversation. Without Microsoft Teams, people tend to use other tools like WhatsApp, Dropbox, leaving your corporate data exposed in platforms you have no control. Give your staff the right tools and training, so they will not need to use external home-grade tools going forward. Reason number 3. Easily collaborate with external people. One of the biggest challenges for any company is to work with external contractors, partners, and suppliers. Conversations often happen over email and telephone while using third-party file-sharing tools outside their control. Microsoft Teams can bring external people to collaborate on your platform, where you have control of how the data is used, centralizing communication, and management. Do you know if your corporate data is ending up on WhatsApp, Dropbox, or Google Drive? Most likely the reason it is because people don't have the right tools to do their work. Imagine you could work with external people using the same tools you use internally, with added security, and no extra cost. You can bring those people in without needing additional licenses, and they will only have access to what you give them. The Forrester study has found that regular staff spends about 12 hours a week working with external people. And by moving this workload to Microsoft Teams, this time was reduced by 18%, saving on average each employee 2 hours per week. Reason number 4. Host video conference calls and webinars. Video conferencing demand is skyrocketing at the same pace as remote working. Microsoft Teams has excellent video conferencing. You don't need to pay third parties like WebEx or Zoom for the service. You can use Microsoft Teams or Outlook to schedule meetings and invite people to video conference calls, or simply invite a channel that you and your colleagues are members for a quick meeting. The meetings can be recorded and get stored in Microsoft Teams with transcription and search functionality built in. During the conference call, you can give PowerPoint presentations, share your desktop, blur the background, use a whiteboard to explain things quicker. Your audience can switch live captions, so even in noise environments, they can still understand you. And to finish, imagine you could also have your regular phone numbers on Teams. There is no need for a standalone phone system. Everything is fully integrated and in the cloud. Reason number 5. You may be already paying for Office 365 and Microsoft Teams. Lots of organizations are already using Office 365 and are unaware they can use Microsoft Teams without additional costs. It is already included in their plan. This could be down to the IT team not being fully trained in licensing and cloud offerings, or even resistance to change from legacy products. If you're already using Office 365, start playing with Microsoft Teams, and if feasible, get a consultant to play your deployment and staff training. And to conclude, Microsoft Teams can cover a lot of different business requirements. Talk to a consultant to assist your organization to migrate to a modern collaborative workplace. Also remember, just giving the tools is not enough. People require training, leadership to see how they can benefit from new solution. Ensure you have a strategy in place before you start your rollout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.